Imagine having the key to unlocking the vault of prosperity. That key is wealth consciousness. Wealth consciousness, a term that may sound abstract to many, is a vital concept that can dramatically change your life. It's not about the physical manifestation of wealth, but rather the mindset that paves the path to wealth. It's not the bank balance you have today, it's the prosperity you're destined for tomorrow. The concept of wealth consciousness transcends beyond the boundaries of the material world. It's not confined to the stacks of cash or the glittering gold. It's abundance in all aspects of life, be it love, joy, knowledge, or peace. It's about acknowledging the wealth of experiences life has to offer, the wealth of relationships you nurture, the wealth of knowledge you possess, and the wealth of influence you carry. Understanding that wealth is more than just money. It's a holistic perception of abundance, a shift in perspective that can open up channels of prosperity in your life. Seeing the world through a prism of abundance, not scarcity. Recognizing the plethora of opportunities that surround us, seizing them, and transforming them into wealth. Wealth consciousness is the power of belief. It's believing in your ability to create wealth, to attract prosperity, to turn dreams into reality. The confidence in your skills, the faith in your capabilities, and the conviction in your vision. It's embracing the thought that you are not a mere spectator in the play of life, but the playwright who can script your own narrative of success. Wealth consciousness is embracing the idea that our thoughts shape our reality. It's about understanding that our mindset can either be our biggest barrier or our greatest enabler. Knowing that the secret to unlocking the vault of prosperity lies not in the external world, but within us. So the question becomes, how do we cultivate this wealth consciousness? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's delve into the genesis of wealth consciousness. The birthplace of this concept is intertwined with the principles of positive thinking and the law of attraction. Positive thinking, in its simplest form, is an optimistic attitude that expects good and favorable outcomes. This mindset is a force that propels you towards success and happiness. When you adopt a positive perspective towards life, you're setting the stage for a positive flow of events. And this, my friends, is where wealth consciousness begins to take root. Now let's talk about the law of attraction, a belief that by focusing on positive or negative thoughts, you can bring positive or negative experiences into your life. It suggests that you can attract wealth, prosperity, and success by maintaining a positive mindset and visualizing your desired outcomes. It's like a cosmic order you place into the universe, and with the right mindset, you can attract what you aspire for, including wealth. These principles are not just philosophies, but powerful tools that influence our ability to attract wealth. They function like a magnet, drawing in the opportunities and resources necessary to generate wealth. When you embrace a positive mindset and understand the law of attraction, you begin to elevate your wealth consciousness. In essence, the genesis of wealth consciousness lies in recognizing and harnessing the power of your thoughts. It's understanding that your mindset is the driving force behind your financial success. Realizing that wealth isn't just about the accumulation of money, but about a state of mind that is open to prosperity and abundance. So how do we elevate our wealth consciousness? It starts with understanding these principles and practicing them in our daily lives. Maintaining a positive mindset, visualizing our desired outcomes, and believing in the power of attraction. Understanding these principles is the first step to elevating your wealth consciousness. Now that we have a foundation, let's explore the mechanics of wealth consciousness. This journey is akin to forging a path in an uncharted territory. Cultivating a mindset, a way of thinking that attracts wealth. The mechanics of wealth consciousness are rooted in three fundamental elements: positive affirmations, visualization, and belief. Let's start with positive affirmations. Affirmations are powerful declarations that we make to ourselves. They are potent tools to rewire our subconscious mind and align ourselves with the energy of abundance. When we affirm our ability to attract wealth, we're not just saying words, we're asserting our intent to the universe. We're telling ourselves and the world that we are worthy of wealth. The key is to make these affirmations a consistent part of your daily routine. Next is visualization. This is the process of mentally picturing the wealth and prosperity you desire. It's not just dreaming about luxury cars or lavish homes, but visualizing the feeling of abundance, the impact of wealth in your life, and the positive changes it brings. Visualization is like a blueprint for your subconscious mind. It sets the groundwork for the reality you're aiming to create. We have belief. This is probably the most crucial element in the mechanics of wealth consciousness. You need to believe, truly believe, that you are capable of attracting wealth. This belief should be unwavering, unshakable. It's not just about thinking positively, it's knowing, deep within you, that wealth is your rightful claim. Delve deeper into the mechanics of wealth consciousness and learn how you can harness its power. In sum, the mechanics of wealth consciousness revolve around positive affirmations, visualization, and belief. These tools, when used consistently and wholeheartedly, can transform your mindset, your energy, and ultimately, your life. Remember, wealth consciousness isn't something you obtain, it's something you cultivate within yourself. These are the tools that will help you build your wealth consciousness. Let's now examine the impact of wealth consciousness. A shift in perspective, a change in mindset, a transformation in the way we perceive wealth. That's what we're talking about. Wealth consciousness is not just financial gain. It's a holistic concept that has profound implications for every aspect of your life. With a wealth-conscious mind, your personal finances are not just figures in a bank account. They are tools for shaping the life you want. Consider this. When you start viewing money as a means to create opportunities, to learn, to grow, to contribute to society, you begin to attract more of it. It's a ripple effect. You invest in a business venture, it flourishes, and you earn more. You support a cause you believe in, and you receive satisfaction that is priceless. But it doesn't stop at personal finances. Your relationships start to prosper too. You attract like-minded individuals, people who share your vision and ambition. These connections further fuel your wealth consciousness, creating a cycle of prosperity. And what about your overall well-being? With a wealth-conscious mindset, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. You're not merely existing, you're living fully. You're not just making ends meet, you're harnessing the power of wealth to create a fulfilling, meaningful life. Let's look at some examples. Imagine a successful entrepreneur, a philanthropist, a thought leader. They didn't just stumble upon wealth, cultivated a wealth-conscious mindset, saw potential where others saw risk. They saw opportunities where others saw obstacles, saw abundance where others saw scarcity. Wealth consciousness is a catalyst for prosperity and abundance. It's the key to unlocking the door to a life of opportunities and fulfillment. It's not a magic trick or a quick fix. It's a mindset, a way of life, a journey. But remember, wealth consciousness is not a destination, but a journey. It's an ongoing process of growth and transformation. It's consistently nurturing a positive, abundance-oriented mindset and allowing that mindset to permeate every aspect of your life. As you can see, wealth consciousness has the power to transform your life. For more info, don't forget to click the links in our description box below. Keep fostering this mindset and watch as your life begins to shift towards greater prosperity and abundance. Embrace wealth consciousness and let the journey to a more prosperous life begin. So, how do we elevate our wealth consciousness to attract prosperity? A question that, once answered, can open up a world of opportunities, financial abundance, and personal growth. Let's start with gratitude. Taking the time to appreciate what you already have lays a solid foundation for attracting more. Acknowledging the abundance that already exists in your life and using it as a launching pad for greater prosperity. So, make it a daily practice to express gratitude for the wealth you have, be it your health, your relationships, or the roof over your head. Next, set clear financial goals. It's not enough to vaguely wish for more wealth. You need to be specific. What exactly do you want? A new house? A comfortable retirement? By setting clear and measurable financial goals, you give your wealth consciousness a target to aim for. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. And speaking of plans, don't forget to invest in personal growth. This could be through education, reading, or developing new skills. By constantly growing and improving, you enhance your value and increase your ability to attract prosperity. Lastly, practice patience. Elevating your wealth consciousness is not an overnight process. It's a journey that requires consistent effort and patience. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. Also, let go of the scarcity mindset. The belief that there's not enough to go around is a major barrier to wealth consciousness. Replace it with an abundance mindset. Believe that there's more than enough for everyone, including you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. As you embark on this journey of elevating your wealth consciousness, remember this. It's not about how much money you have, but how you think about money. Change your mindset, and you change your reality. Elevate your wealth consciousness, and watch as prosperity follows. Remember, attracting prosperity isn't about chasing wealth, it's about cultivating the mindset that attracts it.